Now, lungs are made up of air-filled sacs called the alveoli, but they do not collapse even after forceful expiration because option A, inspiratory reserve volume. This is incorrect because inspiratory reserve volume refers to the additional air that can be inhaled after a normal inhalation, but it does not contribute to preventing the alveoli from collapsing. Option B, tidal volume. It is also incorrect because it is the amount of air inhaled or exhaled during a normal breath. But it does not account for the air left in the lungs after forceful expiration. Option C, expiratory reserve volume. It is also incorrect because it is the additional air that can be exhaled forcefully after a normal exhalation, but it is not responsible for maintaining the alveolar inflation. Option D, residual volume. Now, residual volume is the amount of air that remains in the lungs even after forceful expiration, and this air prevents the alveoli from collapsing, thus maintaining the lung structure as well as the functionality. Hence, it is the correct option.